Hey guys, here I am back again for shoes. Super excited for shoes this year. We have so many. This whole wall is covered, and then there's a handful on that side of the wall, and then this whole bookshelf. We also have some up the front. So I just wanted to show you a handful of things. First, what I wanted to mention is Jonathan Canes. We do have Jonathan Canes right now for our pageant girls. These are the perfect fit for your pageant shoes, for swimsuit shoes especially, and they're in great condition. These are priced at $50 right now just because the name is, and that's a really good steal for that name, and you guys know that if you are familiar with Jonathan Cain. I also have these silver Jonathan Cains that would be perfect for your little short cocktail dress that you need for something, and they have little AB stones on them, and these are $40. So perfect little shoe too. Like I said, Jonathan Cain's perfect name, so that's a really good price for those for that name. I have these that are super adorable. They are up at the top where they strap, they go across, they're like a velvet fill, and these are $18. They have that chunky heel too. Alright, another pair that I have, those are a size 9. These are also a size 9. They are Chinese Laundry, another really great brand. They have stoning right here and little clear straps on the side, and these are $30. Another great one is another nice nude shoe. They've got like a gold chain right here on the band, and these are $20. Alright, they're 8.5. Next I have is these colorful heels. They're totally sparkly. All of it is sparkly. These are 8.5. They're Steve Madden's, and they are $24. Alright, next another one of my favorites is these velvet navy. Oh my gosh guys, these are so stunning. I want them for myself, but I don't think I have anything navy yet. So anyways, these are 7.5s and they are $30. Super stunning. Alright, another really great pair are these pink platform shoes. They are kind of a suede feel. They're soft, but they're not velvet. They are size 6, and these are $25. Alright, another one I wanted to show you guys are these. They are regular, just a really nice pump heel. They are a great bright red color. They are 7.5s, and they are $24. Another great shoe that I wanted to show you is these great statement black shoes. They have the peep toe, and they are lace through the sides. They are size 10, and they are $23. Another pair of Steve Madden's. These are platform heels, have a really tall heel, so if you're needing to not have to trim your dress or hem your dress for prom, these would be a great heel if you can walk in them. Alright guys, so these are a size 7. They are $24. Alright, next, another one of the styles that we're seeing a lot is the same style as the maroon ones I showed you, with the strap here and the strap here and the chunkier heel. These are kind of a rose metallic gold. They are a size 8 and they are $24. Alright, a gold sparkly shoe, kind of strappy on the top. And the heel is not too bad. It's only, it's not a terrible heel. It is a size 9, and it is also $24. Another really great pair of shoes, perfect for honestly anything, especially short dresses, because they're a really nice nude shoe. They are open-toed and they're strappy up here on the top, and the heel is not bad at all. So if you don't really like heels, this is a great size for you. It's 8.5. and it is $22. Alright guys, I have like 3 of this size, and then I know I have I guess I have 4 or 5 in this size, and I also have a 10 in these shoes. They are Your Party Shoes is the brand, but they look almost just like the Jonathan Cains with the AB stones on them, so no one's ever going to know the difference, first of all. So these are 5.5, so like I said, I have multiple pairs in 5.5, and I do have a 10, and these are $45. So they've got that clear heel, perfect for pageants, y'all. Alright. Another one of my favorites, and I just saw these the other day that we had them. I guess I wasn't here when we put them out, and I absolutely love them, and I wish I could wear them, but they're too little for me. They are a size 5. It's a gorgeous, like, satin, And then the back of it, there's a little bow right there, and that is so adorable to me. It's just a nice little kitten heel even, and so it's perfect for if you don't really like heels. They are $40, and they're so adorable. They're so cute. They're Stuart Weitzman too. Alright, another one of that same style that we have right now is even a shorter heel for you guys. So these are more everyday wear if that's something that you're into. These are a size 6, and they are only $18. So this is a really cute shoe, totally in style right now. Alright, another one that I have, and this is the last one that I'm going to show you guys specifically, is this silver strappy heel, and it's metallic. It's got a little bit of a platform right there. It's a size 7, and it is $16. Excuse me. So I just wanted you guys to know that we also have so many shoes right now. Definitely take advantage of our shoes because we start anywhere from $15 and they go up from there, but most of our shoes are between $15 and $30. And then, like I said, those select pairs that are on the nicer brands, or they are brand new, or whatever it may be, they are a little more expensive. But most of our shoes are between $15 and $30, and even those expensive shoes are really great prices for either the brand or what kind of shoe they are. So really, like, take advantage of those prices, because I know Jonathan Canes are super expensive shoes, and $50 for a pair of Jonathan Canes is a steal. So definitely come in and see us and get your shoes. And if you already have your dress for whatever it is and that's what you're needing is shoes or jewelry, definitely come in and see us so we can help you out. All right, bye guys.